Changing your phone number on Deezer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Open the Deezer app. Launch the Deezer app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu by tapping on the profile icon or the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the app. Look for the Account or Settings option. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In Account Settings, find and select the Personal Information or Profile section. This is where you can manage your contact details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the phone number field and tap on it to edit. Enter your new phone number and ensure it is correct. You may need to verify this number through a confirmation code sent via SMS. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes and update your account information. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number on Deezer will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section of the app for further assistance.